Hello guys, today, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with Demio. To sign up for ConvertBox, click the link in the description below to try the program or get ConvertBox at a discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On the Demio integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your Demio account. From the header, select Settings and then select API from the Settings page. Here you will see your account API key and API secret. Step 5. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for Demio. First, give your integration a name that will easily identify it, then paste your Demio API key and API secret into the two fields below. Now click Connect to Demio to finish integrating your account.